Award, your master teacher of Little Dear Sir channel, is here with you a very new and interesting topic, that is components of food, which is a topic of class 6 science. But before the starting, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box to like this video by welcoming your channel Little Dear Sir. Now, components of food. In the components of food, there are nutrients. Nutrients are the main components of the foods. There are 5 types of nutrients. First, carbohydrates. Second, fats. Third, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 types of nutrients which are present in our food. First of all, we will learn about the carbohydrates. These are nutrients that give us quick energy. Now, if you want quick energy, suppose you are going for a running race and you have to run fast and you need quick energy, you take glucose, etc. things, but the food which has carbohydrate, if you eat that, then also you get quick energy. In the carbohydrates, there are of 2 types. First of all, sugars, and second, starch. These are the 2 types of carbohydrates. Sugars release energy immediately, means they boost up the energy and the energy is released instantly. Starch releases energy more slowly than sugars, means both of these release energy, but this is fast and this one is slow, means it is not very slow but it is slower than the sugars. Now, what are the sources of the carbohydrates? From which things we get the carbohydrates? First, rice, means we eat the biryani, rice, pulao, khichdi, etc. things. From this we get the carbohydrates. From the grains such as millet, wheat and pulses, we get carbohydrates. From potato we get starch. From banana also we get carbohydrate. Bread is also a very good source of carbohydrate. And sugar is also a very good source of carbohydrate. Excess carbohydrates are stored in the body as fats. Means if you eat the more things which has carbohydrates, it are stored in the our body as the fats. Next, fats. What are the fats? Fats are the storage form of energy in the body. Means fats are stored as energy in the body. Now, there are also 2 types of fat: animal fat and plant fat. In this animal fat, what is there in the animal fat? These are obtained from animals, and the fat which is obtained from the animal, it is known as the animal fat. And the fat which is obtained from the plants, such as oil, these are obtained from the plants, so it is called as the plant fat. What are the sources of the fat? Cheese. First of all, cheese, ghee, butter, oil, meat, and some groundnuts. Groundnut oil is there, so it is also a source of fat. Fats contains more energy than carbohydrate, means they give more energy than the carbohydrate. You need 1800 calories per day, means how many calories you should intake? 1800 per day. 270 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram having 4 calories, that is 1080 calories. 25 grams of sugar, 1 gram having 4 calories, means 100 calories of sugars. And 70 gram fats, 1 gram having 9 calories, which is 630 calories. So, we should take 1810 calories per day, which is sufficient for our body, and by this we can maintain our health. Proteins. Next nutrient we have the proteins. These nutrients replace old and damaged cells, make new cells in the body. So this play a very important role in our human body, because they replace the old and damaged cells and make the new cells. Now, proteins, their deficiency leads to deficiency diseases. Now, what are the deficiency diseases? Next we will learn. But if we not take any nutrients, so we can suffer from the deficiency diseases. What are the sources of the proteins? First of all, pulses. Next, these different seeds are there. Meat is a source of protein. Fish is a source of protein, egg is a source of protein, and milk is also a source of protein. Fats contain more energy than carbohydrates. Now, vitamins. These nutrients are essential for proper working of the body. Vitamins fight with the diseases and etc. things required in small quantities. We don't need more vitamins, but in small quantities they are sufficient for our body. Vitamin rich foods, there are about 20 known vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, etc. things are there. Now, health benefits of vitamin. Now, some vitamins are given here. What are the benefits of that vitamin? First of all, vitamin A, beneficial in treating eye disorders and skin infections. Now, this we get in papaya. By eating this, our eyes become sharp. Vitamin B9 reduces risk of neutral tube defects during pregnancy. Now, many women are pregnant, so they need vitamin B9 because the blood vessels become stronger, and there is a low risk of the neutral tube defects. Next, vitamin B12 provides relief from symptoms of anemia, kidney and liver disorders. Vitamin B12 is also very important, which is in the walnut. Vitamin C helps treat scurvy, cancer and common cold. Now, vitamin C is present in the citrus fruits such as lemon, orange and etc. which helps to treat in various diseases such as scurvy, cancer and common cold. Vitamin D aids in treating arthritis, tooth decay, diabetes and rickets. So, vitamin D is helped in also treating the different diseases. Vitamin E improves blood circulation and slows down aging process. Means vitamin E is used for improving blood circulation. Vitamin K reduces risk of menstruation pain and internal bleeding. Means suppose there is the internal bleeding in our body, it stops it or reduces the pain of it. Vitamin K. Minerals. These nutrients contain certain elements are required in small quantities. These are also required in small quantities. Their deficiency leads to deficiency diseases. Next, minerals. Calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc are the types of minerals. Now, what are the deficiency diseases? The deficiency of nutrients leads to deficiency diseases. Means suppose any nutrient is there, and if there is a lack of that nutrient in our body, so deficiency diseases happen. Lack of balanced diet due to poverty, wrong food habits, wrong cooking habits leads to deficiency diseases. First of all, we have kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is caused because of the deficiency of the proteins. Symptoms are stomach becomes swollen and legs become thin and skin shows ugly patches. Next, we have marasmus. Cause is deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates. Symptoms are skin becomes so thin that loose folds of skin can be seen all over the body. Scurvy. Next, we have the scurvy. Why this happen? Cause of lack of vitamin C. Symptoms are swelling and bleeding of the gums and wounds not healing properly. Means it is related to the mouth. Rickets. Rickets. What is the cause of the rickets? Due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Symptoms are bones become soft and bow legs, pigeon type chest and bending of spine. These are the symptoms of the rickets. So I hope you understood this topic, that is the components of food. We learned about the nutrients, which are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins and minerals, and what are the deficiency disease happen due to this. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel Little Dear Sir, and tell in the comment box if you like this video. I welcome in your channel Little Dear Sir.